a rod of steel, is fixed at A4, 0, and a toy is placed on it at B0, 4. Now rod is rotated about A through an angle 15 degrees in clockwise direction. Then find the new position of toy. So then find the new position of toy. This is the question. Find the new position of toy. This is the question. So now we'll draw the diagram. So first, it's x and y axis. See, a rod of steel means it's a straight line. Rod of steel means straight line is fixed at A4, 0. 4, 0 on x-axis. It's fixed on at 4, 0. At A4, 0, rod of steel. Next, and a toy is placed on it at 0, 4. So 0, 4 lies on y-axis, yes or no? So 0, 4 lies on y-axis. So at B0, 4, a toy is fixed. This is the location of toy at the end of the rod. Now the rod is rotated about A through an angle 15 degrees in clockwise direction. So this rod is rotated about A 15 degrees in clockwise direction, like this. So then he rotated like this. The rod is rotated like this, 15 degrees, like this. So 15 degrees. So it is rotated 15 degrees in clockwise direction. Then the new position of the toy. New position of toy is some B dash x, y. This is being asked. Okay, now. So variable point is being asked. Yes or no? If B changes here, if you rotate the rod, the B new position is this one. This is being asked. Now tell me, if you rotate the rod, does distance changes? The distance from A to toy?
No, sir.
No, sir. Just position of the point changes. That's why distance will be same. Now what you do is, first AB distance we calculate. A is a fixed point. First we calculate AB distance, that is R. So what is AB distance? Distance between 2 points, that is 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to 16 plus 16. So which is equals to 32. That is 4 root 2. Yes or no? Yes. So this distance, what is this? R is equal to distance between the fixed point and variable point. This is 4 root 2. So this distance is 4 root 2 means, so this distance is also 4 root 2, distance between the fixed point. What is this? This is R. Now, next what we do is, now what is the slope of this line we need? So actually So this slope we need. First, we calculate this, the slope of the original line. But for our line, what is our requirement? This theta is our requirement. So this one is our requirement. Otherwise, I will change the color. So this is our requirement. First initial line slope is what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, first I calculate slope of AB. Calculate AB slope. ABM stands for AB slope is what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 4 minus 0 by 0 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So what is theta? Tell me here. Slope of AB means what? Tan theta. Slope means tan theta is 135.
135. 135.
Yes, 135 degrees. Yes. So this angle, this red one, this angle is 135 degrees. But our requirement is what? This black one, this angle. How much rotated? 15 degrees. Then how much increases it? Increases or decreases. Sorry. How much it decreases? 15 degrees. That's why slope of AB prime is our requirement. So AB prime slope is equal to what? 135 degrees minus 15 degrees. That is equals to what? 120 degrees. What is our requirement? B dash x comma y requirement. Therefore, fixed point 40 and R 4 root 2 and theta is 120 degrees. We need B dash coordinates. Yes. Now, tell me B dash coordinates are H plus R cos theta. H is what here? 4 plus R is 4 root 2. 4 root cos theta, cos 120 degrees. Next, K plus K is 0. R is 4 root 2 sin 120 degrees. Sin 120 degrees. Therefore, B dash coordinates are 4 plus 4 root 2 cos 90 plus 30 degrees. Next, 0 plus, that is 4 root 2 sin 90 plus 30 degrees. Now, B dash coordinates are 4 plus 4 root 2 cos becomes sin 30 cos 90 plus theta. Minus or not? Second quadrant cos is negative.
Yeah.
That's why minus
Yeah.
sign. Next, 4 root 2 into sine becomes cos, but second quadrant sine is positive, just cos 30. Therefore, B dash coordinates are 4 minus 4 root 2 sine 30 is 1 by 2. This is 4 root 2 cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. So that is B prime 2 times, that is 4 minus 2 root 2 comma 2 times 2 roots 6. So these are the coordinates of new position of a tie, B dash. Okay, na? So next question is a line is such that its segment between the lines 5x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is bisected at the point 1 comma 5. Then find its equation. So this is the question. Here, just don't try to draw the fair diagram. Just you solve the problem by rough diagram only. Whenever we require, then only you draw the fair diagram. So here the question is, 2 lines are given. Solution, 2 lines are given. So if you observe the 2 lines, the slopes are not equal. Yes or no? Therefore, otherwise leave it. The slopes are not required. Just the two lines are given. So one line is like this. Suppose this is one line. This is the given line. So another second line is, suppose this one is the second line. Two lines are intersecting somewhere. So now see, now a line is such that it's a segment between the lines, these two lines, and this line is bisected at the point 1, 5. Means the question meaning is, so this is one line. The first line is what? L1 is 5x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. And this one is second line, that is L2 is 3x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now a line is such that its segment between the lines 5x minus y minus 4 equals 0 and 3x plus y minus 4 equals 0 bisected at the point 1, 5. Means this is suppose 1, 5. Now this is bisected at the point 1, 5. It is bisected at the point 1, 5 means, suppose this point is, suppose A, means this line intersecting the two given lines, L1, L2 is at A, L1 is at B. Means this P1, 5 is the midpoint, because the line which passes through P1, 5 is bisected at the point 1, then find its equation. Means we need to find this L is equal to 0 equation. So to find the equation, this equation, what we need? Point already we have 1, 5. We need slope. So slope means tan theta or theta. If you find theta or tan theta, then point slope form we can write the equation of the line. So here given condition is what? P1, 5 is bisecting. Bisecting means its fixed point is 1, 5. So if PA distance is R units, therefore PB distance is equal to minus R units or not? Above and below. Yes or no? Minus R units. So now what we do is, now variable point A we will write. So variable point A, here fixed point is 1, 5. Suppose theta is the angle made by the line L equal to 0 with the positive direction of x-axis. Then tell me A coordinates. A is equal to what? 1 plus H is what? 1. H plus R cos theta. Next K plus 5 plus R sin theta. So these are the coordinates of A. Next, what are the coordinates of B? Same distance. Yes, sir. Bisected means this distance and this distance is same. That's why R have taken relatively upward positive R, relatively downward negative R. Now this is 1 minus R cos theta, B coordinates. 5 minus R sin theta. Now tell me A lies on which line? It's 3x plus y minus 4 equals 0. B lies on 5x minus y minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, A satisfies L2 and B satisfies L1. Therefore, we substitute. So, A lies on this A lies on L2 is equal to 3x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, it satisfies. Therefore, 3 into x coordinate. Ax coordinate is 1 plus R cos theta plus y is 5 plus R sin theta minus 4 is equal to 0. From this one, 3 plus 3R cos theta plus 5 plus R sin theta minus 4 is equal to 0. So, from these two terms, you take out R common. Therefore, R into 3 cos theta plus sin theta. Now, this is 5 plus 3, 8 minus 4, that is 4 is equal to 0. Now, from here, you isolate R, then what you get? Minus 4 by 3 cos theta plus sin theta. This is R. Give this to number 1. So next, B lies on L1. So B lies on L1. What is L1? 5x minus y minus 4. 5x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, it must satisfy. Therefore, 5 into what are the coordinates of B? 1 minus r cos theta minus what is y coordinate? 5 theta minus 4 is equal to 0. That is 5 minus 5r cos theta minus 5 plus just here r sin theta minus 4 is equal to 0. So here minus 5 plus 5 cancel. From these two terms, you take out r common. R into sin theta minus 5 cos theta is equals to 4. Here also isolate r. R is equal to 4 by sin theta minus 5 cos theta. Give this to number 2, sorry. Now 1 and 2 are same. Means this left hand side is r, therefore equate right hand side, because our requirement is what? Tan theta, slope of the line. So 1 is equal from 1 and 2, from 1 comma 2 minus 4 by, from 1 comma 2 minus 4 by 3 cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 4 by sin theta minus 5 cos theta. So here 4 cancel, you cross multiply, then what you get? Minus sin theta plus 5 cos theta is equal to 3 cos theta plus sin theta. Now take out 3 cos theta this side, minus sin theta this side. Then what you get? Tell me. 2 cos theta is equals to 2 sin theta. 2 cancel. Sin theta equal to cos theta, that is tan theta equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. What is tan theta? Slope of the line or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, slope of the line we got. Therefore, point already we have 1 comma 5. Slope of the line we got as 1. Therefore, equation of the line is point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is the point? 1 comma 5, right? Therefore, required line L is equals to therefore required line L is equals to y minus 1 comma 5. Yes, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Therefore, this is y minus 5 is equal to x minus 1. Therefore, x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the required line. Clear?